What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is a quick update video about my MacBook Pro. So in my review I basically said that the keyboard was the weakest part of the laptop. So the first issue I've had was probably 6-7 months into owning this laptop, and the keyboard died, which is a common fault with this generation of MacBook Pro. So I got it swapped under warranty. It was great for another 6-7 months, and then 2 weeks ago again it broke. But this time it was slightly different because it was out of warranty. Now in the UK I purchased this device from Stormfront, so they offer the standard Apple 1-year warranty, and you get 2 years of additional Stormfront warranty, which is kind of very useful in my case, because not only did they replace the keyboard, they replaced every single component except the main motherboard, and it totaled up to around £1,300. I want to know why Apple didn't just recall the laptop and fix the problem so I don't have to keep going back every 7 months, because eventually I'm going to run out of this warranty and the laptop will be fine apart from the keyboard. And it's ridiculous to you may as well just buy a new Mac. It'll be so much easier just to take the keyboard out and put a new one in and plug it in and there you go, fixed. But the way Apple have designed these MacBook Pros, it's just not feasible for them to swap one part. It's crazy. Okay, so to end this video I just wanted to, so I don't want to rant on any longer about my Mac. The issue has been fixed. I'm once again happy with my laptop, and I again love it. So it's no longer an issue. I'm just happy that I still have the warranty. It just makes you think why Apple do things the way they do. However, there are going to be a few things on the channel which I want to talk to you about when they turn up. So I'm going to be meeting up with Lucas in a couple of weeks' time, when we've both got a free section in our university schedules. We're going to go make a couple of videos together, and when my new items turn up I will be making a video on them, so stay posted for that video. And yeah, I'm going to start making a few more now I've got back to university and settled in, so stick around and see what's to come. Done.